Hello students, good morning. Students, today is our maths class. In the last class, we discussed on and we studied about counting in tens. Hope all of you are understood the concept counting in tens. Today in this class we are going to learn new concept, that is chapter 5 patterns. Chapter 5 patterns. Chapter 5 patterns. 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 Students, I think you have already studied this concept in the first standard. So this year you are going to learn more about patterns. Okay, are you ready? Okay students, listen carefully. Gilly and Chinny were going to home. On the way, they saw many different things. After reaching home, they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. It also had different design with different colors. In the evening, they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. Looking at these grills, Chinny said, "These same grills make a different pattern in our windows at home." So what is a pattern? Students, every day we can see such many patterns around us. So what is a pattern? Pattern is a repeated decorative design. Pattern is a repeated decorative design. It can also be an arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, figures, numbers and letters. What is a pattern? Pattern is a repeated decorative design. It can also be an arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, figures, numbers and letters. So, what is a pattern? Pattern is a repeated decorative design. It can also be an arrangement of lines, again sun, the moon. The sun, the moon. Here, this sequence form a pattern. This sequence form a pattern. Let us take one more example. Look at this. Triangle, circle. A triangle, a circle. A triangle, a circle. This sequence also called a pattern. This is also a pattern. Let us take one more example. Look at here. 2 comes first, then a 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. So this sequence also called a pattern. One more example. Look at here. A, B. A, B. A, B. A comes first, then the B. A, B. A, B. So this is also called a pattern. This sequence also called a pattern. Let us do an activity with pattern A, B, A. Okay? Let us do an activity with pattern A, B, A. Here I have flower and leaf. Okay? Here I have flower and leaf. A means here flower and B means here leaf. Okay, consider A is flower, B is leaf. ABA pattern means A flower, B leaf, A means again flower. So we have to make a pattern using flower and leaf. But that pattern should be A, B, A. So can you help me? First, A flower, B leaf. A means flower. Again A, B, A. Again A flower, B leaf. A flower, A flower, B leaf, A flower. So here we have done A, B, A, B, A, B, A pattern using flower and leaf. Have you understood? Let us take one more example. Let us do AB pattern. Okay, which pattern? AB pattern. Here I have up arrow mark and down arrow mark. Consider this A and consider this down arrow mark B. Okay? Consider up arrow mark A, down arrow mark B. So let us make a pattern using these arrow marks, but pattern should be A, B, A, B. Okay. First A up arrow mark and B down arrow mark. A up arrow mark, B down arrow mark. Up arrow mark, down arrow mark. Up arrow mark, down arrow mark. B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So here we have done AB pattern by using up arrow mark and down arrow mark. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Have you understood? Okay, let us make A, B, C pattern. A, B, C pattern. Okay, here I have circle, triangle and rectangle. Here I have circle, a triangle, a rectangle. So consider this circle A triangle B, a rectangle C. Okay. So can you make a pattern, ABC pattern by using these shapes? Good. Circle A, triangle B, a rectangle C. Again, circle A, triangle B, a rectangle C. Again, a circle A, triangle B, a rectangle C. Here which pattern we have done? ABC pattern. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. Here we have done ABC pattern by using these three shapes. Now we are going to do A, B pattern. A, B pattern. Okay? So here A means, consider A is standing line, B is sleeping line. Okay? Consider A is standing line and B is sleeping line. So now we are going to do A, B pattern. Can you help me? How can we do? Very good. Standing line, standing line. A. Next B and B line. Sleeping line, sleeping line. Again, standing line, standing line. A. Sleeping line, sleeping line. B. Again, standing line, standing line. Sleeping line, sleeping line. A, B. A, B. A, B. So here we have done A, B pattern with the help of standing line and sleeping lines. Have you understood now? Now, all of you have taken out your maths workbook. Okay? Maths class workbook. Here, Maths Unit 5. Here, Maths Unit 5. First page. Take out this page and write topic, patterns and write today's date. Complete the patterns. Example, first one they have done, children. 2 black dots, 2 white dots. 2 black dots and 2 white dots. So we can think this which pattern? A, B. A, B. Considered black dot is A, white dot is B. So A, B pattern they have done here. So look at here. In the second picture, okay, can you see? Look at here, second one. Can you see this picture? In this picture, in the first picture, you can see only one dot, correct? Only one dot is there inside. In the second picture, how many dots are there? There are 2 dots, right? 1, 2. So this is pattern. Look at the third. in this picture, how many dots are there? Only one dot. It means, which pattern is it? Can you guess? Very good. A, B pattern. This is AB pattern. Now you can easily fill this picture. In third picture, you can see one dot. It is A. Fourth picture, you have to draw two dots. It is B. Fifth picture, only one dot. A. B means two dots. A means one dot. B means two dots. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B pattern. Look at here. Can you guess which pattern is it? First it is square and circle, two squares, two circles. So all are different, right? All four shapes also different. So you can easily guess this is A, B, C, D pattern. A, B, C, D pattern. So now which pattern? Here should be A, and next it is B, and next it is C, and this is pattern D. Have you understood now? Can you do all this? Think ABCD pattern. You can understand by seeing this only. So here it is 2 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot. Can you guess which pattern it is? 2 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot. Means it is A. 1 dot means B. Here also 1 dot. It means it is also B. So ABB pattern. This is ABB pattern. Can you complete this? Good. Can you complete this? Kindly complete it. Go to the next page. Write topic, patterns, and write today's date. Complete the pattern train. Can you see the train? Yes. Look at this first compartment. There is one dot. Second compartment, one dot. Both also down. And here it is. Third compartment, it is up. Fourth compartment, it is up. So next, it is down. Down. Here up. Draw one more compartment and draw up. So it is like a AABB pattern. Next, look at this picture. Here it is in this shape, and here in the second picture you can see one dot, and next picture you can see one line, right? So next, keep it empty, put one dot, then put here one dash. This is like a ABC pattern. ABC pattern. Can you complete this? Kindly complete it. Next, take out your maths homework book. Maths Unit 5. Write topic, patterns, and write today's date. Continue each pattern. Example, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Okay. Next, look at here. Here there are two types of shoes. Look at this first shoe and second shoe. Look at these again. You can guess this is AB pattern. Continue this pattern here. Okay. Next, apple, banana, apple, banana. So which pattern it is? AB pattern. So again, apple, banana, banana. Continue this pattern. Can you complete this page? Kindly complete it. Write topic and today's date. Complete the patterns. Can you complete this pattern? A, B, C. Again A, B, C. ABC pattern. Kindly complete this. Next, AABB. AABB pattern. This is ABAB pattern. Kindly complete this page. Students, kindly complete your maths workbook. In today's class, we learned about patterns. What is a pattern? Pattern is a repeated decorative design. It can also be an arrangement of lines, shapes, figures, colors, numbers and letters. Hope all of you cleared about this. Thank you children. Have a good day.